Okay, I'm going to attempt to repair this little gas tank. It's out of a riding lawnmower. It's plastic. I already sawed off the petcock, which goes right there. It had just a crack. I mean, you can see I cut my finger when I did it. It has a crack right across the bottom. And I just took a little hacksaw and sawed it the rest of the way off. And went through a little quicker than I thought it would. Anyway, I'm going to drill that out. And then I am going to put on a little brass petcock, and I'll show you that in a second. Okay, here's what I'll be using for the petcock. Excuse me, this is what seals the petcock. It's just instant gas tank repair, Magnum brand. I did try to seal it with this first, and that didn't work at all. Here's the little ring of putty that I mixed together until it was one uniform color, and then I pushed it into the hole and around it, and it hardened, but it didn't go inside the hole, so that didn't work at all. So now I'm going to try this little baby. This says it's a 1/4 inch to 3/8 inch brass pipe to hose adapter. I bought it at like Checker, O'Reilly, AutoZone, one of those places. And I think it's for their air hoses, but I was walking through the store and saw this, and I thought that might work. Okay, I took out my little drill bit kit here, and it fits perfectly and threads right into a 31/64. I highly doubt my bit is that accurate, but I am going to try it. Okay, I am going to start with a much smaller bit and gradually drill these up so I don't make a mess out of it. So you'll want to make sure you do that too. Okay, you can see I've got it in there. I drilled it up in stages. I actually stopped, instead of 31/64, which it seemed to fit in, I stopped at 29/64, and then I took this little wrench, put it right over the top of that, and then carefully put downward pressure while I threaded it in there, and it is a super tight fit. I was thinking that I was going to put some of this stuff on the threads themselves, but since it's in there so tight, I'm just going to mix this. I've stopped it just shy of hitting the deck. I'm going to mix it up, pack it underneath there, and then twist it down a little bit more, and hopefully that will be enough to seal it. I'll let you know how it goes. Okay, there it is. I mixed up the gas tank repair putty, pressed it under that last little 1/8 of an inch, nice and tight, screwed it down a little bit more, repacked it in, and should be good to go. If you look inside the tank, there it is. You can kind of see how that is threaded through and comes up. It won't let you use that last little 1/4 inch or so in the tank, but you don't want that anyways. Okay, I'll let you know once I get it installed. Okay, I've used this for about a month now, and I haven't had one problem. It's not leaking anymore. It worked great. Everything is looking really good. Before, I was having gas just leak right down that pipe, right onto my deck, and it would just all evaporate and make a big mess. So, anyway, hope that helps.